Hi guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my preschoolers' learning space. We created a separate space in our living room for my preschooler, away from my other two homeschoolers, because all the fun activities we would do with her was distracting them. So here we have some of her puzzles. Next to it I have my laminate machine, and over here I have different types of paper for her to draw on, some colored construction paper, and my laminate sheets for my laminator for when I make her activities and things like that. Down here is like her art section where she has little glitter and glue and glitter pens and some little random toys. She has all of her paint containers and paints, her paint brushes, there's markers in here, watercolor, all kinds of things for painting and making art. Pie here that she loves, that you can sort by color or you can sort by number. There's a card underneath that you can switch out. We have some matching games in here, different types, and we have lots of other puzzles that are more challenging that she can do only with our help. Some of them on the side we have separated into baggies, and some more markers here for coloring. And these were in a box like the ones you see in the picture, but the box broke, so I put them into baggies for her. We also have some tangrams, the ones for toddlers, and then we have some sequencing beads for her to make patterns with. I'll show you these. On the other side I have a lot of stories for me to read out loud to her, or books that she can look through herself. Here we have some more memory matching games, some alphabet tiles, we have animal charades, and here is this really cute Uno Moo game that we got, and it's just like Uno, but you can match the colors or the animal face. We also have a rhyming card game and this We Sing and Move CDs that I showed in my other video. Here are some imagination cards. They're magnets and there's cards with them to help her to try to create the pattern on the card and the picture that's on the card. I also have some Play-Doh sheets here with numbers that I downloaded off of the internet, and some of them that I made myself. There's a teddy bear pattern bookmarker thingy and some more number cards that we've made to help her recognize her numbers. And here is a planting carrots game for our farm theme, and that helps her to match numbers as well. And of course a little White Clean Mazes book. In this little bin here we have a ton of Play-Doh and Play-Doh toys to go with it. And we have some more storybooks here for read out loud and for her to look through the pictures. On the side over here I have a CD player that I just purchased to play all of her little CDs from the We Sing and Learn collection that I got. And these are those day and night little puzzle pieces where she has to find the card and try to put the wood blocks in the same order as they're on the cards. A little artwork of a get well picture she made for our dog when the doggy wasn't feeling good. And in these bins I have some school things. We have some more number cards for games. I have some CDs and games. I have some magnetic alphabet. And I'll just let you look through the rest of the things that we have in here. We have some lacing cards, more matching cards, some stamps in the background. This book is going to be used for her when she's a little bit bigger. This is where I keep all of her stickers when we do our morning and nighttime routine charts, or stickers for making crafts or anything. Also her duo-dot markers, her glue, color pencils, and some crayons. And in this bin we have room for more things. Right now we just have some magnets and a bin of colored rice for her to do during our morning basket time. Over here by our calendar we have a bucket of instruments which we use for calendar. We have our pointer and these little cards you can just take out and rearrange them every month. And now we head over to our table where most of the writing, coloring activities, and arts and crafts take place. I have a little lamp here because this room doesn't have a lot of light during the daytime and the big light is too bright. I have this little teddy bear reading to her baby here on her desk, some crayons, her Bible, some books, some read out loud books, her curriculum from The Good and the Beautiful for Arts and Crafts, and a Ready for Writing white clean book. This binder has a lot of the curriculum that I'm creating now, learning creation through science, with lots of activities and different things that you see in here. I will be posting this for sale eventually when it's finished. And I'll also make a video giving you guys more of a detailed look into it. If you want to see a video of what we normally do for school, go ahead and check out the link in the card up here. And that is her room. So I hope you guys enjoy this video of my preschooler. This is where we do most of our learning. Sometimes it happens in the main classroom with the other two kids. Sometimes we'll set aside our time and we'll just come over here where it's quieter and it's more focused, and we'll do all of our activities. Once again, don't forget to check out the video on how I teach my preschooler. And I thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see what my 6th and 2nd grader homeschool area looks like, check out the card as well. And don't forget to browse the channel and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching.